in fact, a bunch of numbers. So let's pull up the RS Software stock as well. The losses narrowed, so that's important. The stock is not still getting much of a thumbs up from the market. Let's get Mr. Raj Jain, Raj Jain from the management of RS Software. Well, the numbers do look a little better, Mr. Jain, but can you first walk us through what led to the loss narrowing?
So primarily, as you can see, we've had a combination of three things. Number one is we've had a 12% quarter-on-quarter growth. Number two is we have launched significant strategic cost management initiatives. And number three is the combination of the two have allowed us to improve our performance significantly. We have long ways to go, but this is a significant achievement from our previous quarter.
If you can give us some sort of a timeline, when do you see the company turning profitable? Will it be in this financial year itself, in FY17?
So our plan is fiscal 16-17, we would like to see it with a positive bottom line. And we're committed to that. That's what our financial plan for the year calls for. So we definitely believe that fiscal 16-17 will be a profitable year for us.
If you could guide us whether the company starts reporting sustainable profits in H1 as well?
It'll be too early to first to give you indications. There are too many irons in the fire. We are investing in our sales and marketing. We are signing alliances, partnerships. We are entering into new geographies. We are already in India. We recently had a great launch of the product built by RS Software for NPCI, the Unified Payment Interface, on which I was on your channel last week as well. So we're doing some fundamentally great things which are in sync with the strategy we have defined for our company, and we have actually communicated that to our investor community and is available on our website as well. So we are on track with our strategy for transitioning, and one of the fundamental things that have been achieved within this fiscal year and in this quarter 4 of the last fiscal is the elimination of client concentration. So as an example, we in quarter 4, our earlier dominant client is just about 25% and less than that, as compared to in the first quarter that client contributed 90% of our revenue. So we believe this strategy has helped us significantly to eliminate the major risk for the company.
Okay, so FY16 revenue was around 200 crores. What will it be in FY17?
It's kind of difficult for us to give you a target of a top line, but like I said earlier, we are definitely committed to have a profitable 16-17, just like if you look at our fiscal 15-16, we've had a profitable year. We've had upwards of 10 crores as net profit after taxes. So we certainly are on track with our plans to execute fiscal 16-17 to achieve profitability as well.
All right, we leave it at that. Mr. Jain, thank you very much for joining us with the spin on your numbers. So actually, it's a reduction of losses, and this is despite the fact that they have taken on some bad loans, recognized them. So perhaps in for more green times in the quarters to come. That's the word coming in from RS Software. Well, the markets at this point in time still very flat. I mean,